Every sunrise brings a new hope to our farmers. Yet behind every grain of rice lies a story of struggle. Unpredictable weather, water scarcity, crop loss, and everyday challenges with birds. These are not just challenges, they are everyday realities.
We often talk about making India smart cities, homes, industries. But what about the soil that feeds us?
That's how our journey begins, with one vision to empower the hand that nurture our nation.
Farmer loses nearly 30% of their crops yield every year due to crop damage and uneven irrigation. Most of them cannot afford high-end automation systems.
Technology exists, but accessibility doesn't. That gap between innovation and inclusion is what we wanted to bridge.
So we begin experimenting, coding, testing, determined to create a solution that was simple, affordable, and helpful.
After a weeks of research and building, we created Guardians of the Grains, a smart scarecrow bot that thinks, reacts, and assists.
It's more than a scarecrow, it's farmer's companion. A device that can water crops, detect crow activity, and move through fields all at farmer's command.
Action of this bot can be controlled directly from our phone through our Bluetooth based interface that's light, fast, and easy to use.
The bot's ear are its sound sensor. Once the sound of the crow is detected, it initially reacts by playing pre-recorded human sound to scare them away.
Its heart is Arduino system that connected to 12-volt water pump, sensor, motors, and working together to automate the field management.
We even integrated mobility through DC motors and tires, allowing the scarecrow to patrol across the farm instead of standing still.
And the best part, it is easily available low-cost component, so even small-scale farmer can afford it.
When technology touches lives, it creates change that truly matters. This project isn't about machines, it's about giving farmer control, confidence, and convenience.
Vision is to see every Indian farm protected and every Indian farmer empowered with innovation for them.
We dream of expanding Guardians of the Grains to include weather alert, solar power, and real-time data, creating a smarter future for farmers.
Innovation doesn't always need complexity, sometimes it just needs compassion.
With guidance of brain, we hope to sow the seeds of change, one farm at a one time.
Because a prosperous Bharat begins from its field.
We are Team Guidance of Grain,
Building technology for a smarter,
stronger.
And sustainable Bharat.
Thank you.